My dear students, welcome to our accounts class. Please take your textbook and your copy also. We are going to solve question number 2 from page number 7.45. 7.45, question number 2. This is related to cash book. Actually, this class we started through our Zoom class, and the first question we solved lively. Then second question's answer you can watch now. And before starting, you have to firstly make the column like that. The format of single column cash book is given in a textbook. So firstly you make the column like that, then only you can start to watch the videos. Okay, so this side is known as the debit side. This is known as the credit side. From the middle to left side, from the middle to left side, this is a debit side, or it is also known as receipt side. Then here, from this is the middle line, from here to this side it is known as credit side, otherwise payment side. Payment side. Then this is the question. First of all, the year. In the date column, year and month we have to mention here 2020 April. This side also 2020 April. I cannot show the question as well as answer simultaneously. That is why question you have to see from your textbook. Answer only you can see from this video. The first transaction is given on April 1. Balance of cash in hand. Balance of cash in hand. Amount is 50,000. This side we are writing to balance brought down. That amount is 50,000. Second transaction, purchased goods for cash. All the cash transactions are coming in this. Payment of cash will be this side. Receipt of cash will be this side. So purchases of goods for cash means it is the payment of cash. Cash we are giving, so it will come in the payment side. Here the date will be 3 and by purchases. This side we are writing the payments, and if we are thinking about the journal entry, what is the debit aspect? Debit aspect we are writing in this particular column. First of all, we have to write by. By is equal to debit. Okay, so by purchases account, and the amount we are writing here 22,000. When we are writing something in this side, we have to write 2, and if we are writing something this side, that we have to start with the by. By means debit, 2 means credit. Okay, now the third transaction, purchased goods. Date is 7. By purchases account. Amount is 15,000. Next transaction given on 10. Purchased goods from Gobi. This one. Purchased goods from Gobi. This is credit to purchases. This transaction will not appear in the cash book. Cash book we are using to show only cash transactions. This is a credit transaction. So this we are not taking into the cash book. Next transaction, purchased goods from Gobi for cash. It is a cash transaction, so this will come on 13th by purchases account. The amount is 10,000. Next transaction given on 15th, sold goods. This side we are writing 15th to sales account. Sold goods means cash we are receiving. Goods is going outside, but the cash we are receiving. That is why cash receipt we are taking this side. This is the receipt side. Okay, which is written in the heading. This is the payment side. Payment of cash. Receipt of cash this side. Then sales amount was 20,000. Then next, sold goods to Vishwakarma. Sold goods to Vishwakarma, this transaction. Name of the person is given and for cash is missing. That is why this is also credit sales. This will not come in the cash book. Then 20. Sold goods to Raghunandan for cash. This will come. 2 sales. Date 20. The amount was 18,000. Now the next transaction, received commission. We received commission. So cash we are receiving. 2 commission. Received. Commission received how much? 5,000. Date will be 25. Next, paid rent on 30. Payment by rent account. Amount is 10,000. And remember, we know if you are taking the last transaction, paid rent, what is the journal entry? Paid rent journal entry is cash account debit to, cash we have to credit. So 2 cash is coming. Okay, 2 cash. Debit will be rent. Rent account debit to cash. This is the transaction. So payment, this is the cash payment. So this transaction will come in the payment side of the cash book. And what is the debit aspect here? Rent. This debit aspect we are writing in the particulars column and we are using by. By means debit only. Okay. And if you are telling this transaction 25th, received commission, the entry will be cash account will be debit to commission. Then the credit aspect is to commission. This credit aspect we are writing in this side. After 2 we are writing credit aspect. Here debit aspect we are writing. When we are writing debit aspect, if it is a payment. And when we are writing this credit aspect here, when cash received, when the cash received, credit aspect will be, what is the credit aspect? That credit aspect we are writing here. Okay. So after writing all the transactions here, we need to take the total and the balance. For that, for taking the total and balance, here we are drawing one line and here also in the same level we are drawing another line. Then this side total we have to take 70, 88, 93. This is the total receipt. And this side it is a 20, 35, 57. 57. Then this is a total payment. Then one more line we are drawing here. Then after that 2 line also. Here 1 line, then 2 double line. Then in this 93 and the 57, which amount is higher? 93 is higher. 93 we need to write in this column. Not only here, this side also we need to write 93. And now this is only 57 only, but here we are adding 93 and 93 we are getting the total, but this side it is not correct. So here we need to write one amount here to make this statement correct. So 93 minus 57. 93 minus 57, we are getting 36. Okay. So 36,000 is coming difference. We have to write the difference there. Now this is correct. 57 plus 36 we are getting 93. Against this 36 the writing will be to balance carry down. Date will be, this is April. April how many days are there? January, February, March, April. April 30 days are there. So the date will be 30. Then up to 30 it is over. Up to April it is over. Then this 36 will be the balance of cash. This will come next month beginning. After the April, next month is what? May. So May 1st, 36,000 is with us. So this cash book we prepared for 1 month. Then next month we are continuing after this total. Next month is coming after this total. That is why the first this 36,000 we have to bring this side. For that writing will be to balance brought down. Here we are writing carry down. This balance we have to carry to down. And here we are writing from there it is brought here, brought down. And here the date will be next month, May 1. Here we written to balance brought down 36,000. The same way here also written in the beginning cash in hand is given 50,000. This means before April what was the month? March. So March 31st this was the balance came here when we balanced like that. So this balance will come as a opening balance of next month. Okay, so with this our cash book is over. So if any doubt is there, you please replay this video one more time and clear it. Okay, next day or next class we will study triple column cash book. This is known as a single column cash book. Single column cash book means in this side one amount column is there. It is a single column. This side also one amount column. Triple column means this side 3 amount column and this side also 3 amount column. Then that is known as a triple column cash book that we can study through next class. Okay, thank you.